In this video, we can talk about top 5 contents alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives Code channel. If you're in search of alternatives to contents, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 alternatives of contents including Rytr, Rytr, Word AI, Frase.io, and Peppertype AI that can easily meet your writing needs. So, let's dive in and explore the world of AI-powered content creation. The first alternative we have is Rytr. Rytr is an AI writing assistant that provides a wide range of content generation capabilities. It offers features like readability improvement, catchy channel descriptions, and ad content generation. From blog posts to social media captions, Rytr can assist you in creating high-quality written content in a matter of seconds. And its standout feature lies in the ability to generate content in multiple languages, making it a versatile option for businesses with a global audience. Next up is Rytr. Rytr is an AI-powered writing platform that specializes in producing engaging and persuasive content. It offers features like grammar checks, readability scores, spelling error detection, and sentence complexity analysis. Whether you need compelling product descriptions or captivating storytelling, Rytr can deliver. Its standout feature is the natural language processing technology that ensures the generated content is not only informative but also captures the attention of your readers. Moving on, we have Word AI. Word AI is an excellent rewriting platform that offers a wide range of features for creating and editing documents. It offers features like bulk rewrite, code view, HTML compatibility, and API access. It provides advanced formatting options and collaboration tools, making it a reliable alternative to Notion AI. One of the standout features of Word AI is its extensive library of templates, helping you create professional-looking documents effortlessly. The fourth alternative on our list is Frase.io. Frase.io is an AI-powered content optimization tool that helps you create SEO-friendly content. It offers features like content analytics, outline builder, and content editor. If your goal is to enhance your content's visibility, Frase.io can be your go-to platform to meet every requirement. Its standout feature is the ability to analyze your existing content and provide recommendations for improving its search engine rankings. Last but not least, we have Peppertype.ai. Peppertype.ai is an AI-powered copywriting tool that assists you in creating compelling and persuasive copy for your marketing campaigns. It offers features like email copy generation, seamless writing experience, intelligent text editor, and keyword tracking. With its AI-powered copy generation capabilities, Peppertype.ai assists in creating compelling marketing copy. One of the standout features of Peppertype.ai is its ability to generate personalized and highly converting copy based on your target audience and goals. When compared to contents, Rytr offers a broader range of content generation capabilities and excels in providing support for multiple languages. Rytr, on the other hand, stands out with its expertise in creating engaging and persuasive content. Word specializes in generating articles and blog posts that are optimized for search engines and conducts in-depth topic research to produce well-structured, keyword-rich content. Then comes Frase.io, which excels in generating content briefs, answering questions, and optimizing your content for better performance. Lastly, there's Peppertype.ai that focuses on personalizing your marketing copy and helps you create content that deeply resonates with your customers. Considering these alternatives, if your primary focus is on writing needs and you value personalized marketing copy, we would recommend Peppertype.ai as the best alternative besides contents. With its ability to create tailored content that connects with your target audience on a deeper level, Peppertype.ai can help you craft impactful written materials for your marketing campaigns. We hope this detailed comparison has provided you with valuable insights to make an informed decision about the best alternative for your writing needs. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.